Go! Stop! Stop! To Laguna Manuela. Pavan is a little stressed. He has a lot of driving today, but we will be in a beautiful location.
I think we stay. Plus, people, there's internet.
Look at this little beach.
Wow, this is paradise.
It is.
Just a little busy, the sun is gone soon.
Oh, yeah.
But it's all good.
We just saw a dolphin.
A dolphin, yeah.
Dolphin.
A big one too. You will see in the video. Look at the dogs enjoying.
How is the feeling to shower outside?
Nice. Space.
Nobody here. Look at this place.
It's Pacifico. Yeah, that is the other side. So we crossed again from east to west. Atlantico to Pacifico. Isabella is up in the rig, preparing actually a YouTube video for you guys. Last year we were in this spot and we saw dolphins. There's our beach where I'm probably gonna go surfing.
Nice.
Because we did all this for enjoying the beach. That feels better. This turn there was not so fun.
No, it was not.
Now you see that.
I need to motivate you to go.
So I can't go fast because of the rocks. Can't go slow because of the sand. Oh, look at this.
Wow.
Let's just park and that's it.
Whoa. There we go. Our private beach.
This is amazing.
It is.
You don't see those roads online. I mean, I didn't. Or we were not online. Let's put it that way. But there's always a way.
Sure.
I hope.
I am in bed and Fabian go now surfing. Look at this place. Enjoy. we are Sunday. It's still in the same area of Laguna Manuela. Today was the first day that came a fisherman, but it was amazing.
This morning for fishing shortly, they fixed my fishing rod, which I was happy.
Here we are parked. Look at the sky, nice. And here we are fishing. Maybe we have a dinner today.
We're sitting here and it was really beautiful out here, if you see that. I was trying to surf. I mean, I'm a beginner, you know, this is why I look like this fool, but it's perfect. And all of a sudden I thought, you know, either sharks or dolphins, and in the end it was, I guess, dolphins. And yeah, of course I went outside and took the drone and we had beautiful videos with the dolphins, and now we enjoy our breakfast. And yeah, check it out.
Fabian is surfing there and there is a dolphin. Let's see if he will appear again. There it is. So beautiful. You can! Go, 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 go! Oh, look at this. Uni will be there the whole day, taking care of Fabian, waiting for him. He's there on the water. Tá vigiando teu pai, meu amor? Tá vigiando? Yeah!
In front of me.
I did a video with you and the dolphin.
And I saw a white tip.
Oh.
So
but there is a lot. They are coming from there. Look. All them. Yeah, yeah. You see all them? I came on the beach to take a fuel cent dollar. To come here you needed to really have an off-road vehicle because the way is really sandy. I think because of that nobody came in these days that we are here. We love it, and we needed to move tomorrow on because we need food again. But the rest was pretty cool, really nice. Fabian to take this white car out from here. We will try to pull in this direction. Oops! Fast, fast, fast! That's it? One moment. No, solta. Liga. ¿Sí? ¿Suficiente?
No llega.
¿No llega? Un poquito más. A little more. Little. A little more. Yeah, stop! Stop! Go slow!
I go?
Slow! Go! Stop! Stop!
What happened?
We'll touch the other car. They managed!
Muchas gracias.
Makes me happy. I put now the one differential that all 4 tires are spinning.
Here we are. It's still with 70 psi in the tires. We manage. We are managing.
See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Check out our Facebook, YouTube, everything, Patreon, Instagram. See you where we see you, and I hope to meet some of you live wherever we are on this planet. Okay, one more thing. For non-swimmers or skinny people, I wouldn't recommend going in there. It's pretty strong. Alright, see you when we see you. Thanks for watching.